Welcome back, losers. I'm going to get in the weeds, alright? Creative weeds. I'm going to put my head under the metaphorical river of shame, and I'm going to drown myself in creativity. I've got all these canvases, from when I was painting, and I gave up, right? I didn't like it, what I was doing. I think this one was meant to be a picture of David Gilmour playing the guitar. Who gives a shit? Hope that didn't break. Alright, because I'm going to need that later. I've not got an easel, right? The little wooden things that little Frenchmen paint on. And I need one if I want to feel sophisticated. Because I feel a little gauche at the minute. That's a new word that I just learned. I've got all this wood lying about from other stuff. And, you know, I still can't maintain an erection. So I'm just going to do that first, alright? I'm going to knock some nails into some wood. Boom. And I'm going to paint a nice little sunset with some boats on it. Right, my little garden peas. I thought I would draw a little diagram, just quickly, you know, showing what I've got planned. I want this to be quick. I want to use as few nails as possible, and, you know, it needs to be stable. But like always, I'm not going for cutie pie points. I'm going for accessibility, easeability. So we're gonna have a main board, right? And that's gonna be what the canvas goes on, right? So that's gonna come down at an angle. Whoops. So that's going to be the first part I need to cut. Let's do it all in different colours. Then it needs to sit in a little skirting board that I found. Perfect. Okay, and then there's going to be a piece of wood that I think I'm going to nail in here. Then there's going to be a long bit of wood that slots right underneath that bit of wood. Okay, I'm losing all my crayons down the sofa. This is going to be a bit of string, right, that I'm going to nail on there. And that's just going to keep that in place. I better cut all the wood and start nailing it all together. It shouldn't take too long, because I'm a genius. Okay, so I forgot to click record on the camera, but I've sliced this halfway through. And basically all I was saying was, you know, I was just being a silly little idiot. But this is the canvas. It's a red bit that I drew. Yeah, you don't need to see this anyway. I'll get some B-roll of me just cutting it. Shh, 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 shh. It wasn't going particularly well anyway, you didn't miss much. Boom. Let's do the skirting board. So yeah, it's going to sit in it like this. Yeah, so I think I want it a little bit wider, maybe an inch each side, stop it from wiggling a little bit. Now this is going to be some thick motherfucking wood, brother. I'm not confident in my ability to saw this correctly. Just got to gently get the guiding bit in. Oh, it's a lot easier. This is the orange bit, and I think it should be long enough, but I'm going to cut the blue bit from this bit. Right, trumpets. I'm going to nail some freaking stings. Everything's cut, so I'm going to get whacking. It's my favourite thing to knock hammers into shit. Trying to do it the least amount of wobble. I don't want it to wobble, okay? This is a wobble-free zone. I think I should put it about there. How the fuck am I going to nail this without knocking it into the worktop? The old didgeridoo. There we go. And then I just twat that in there. Felt all right. Okay. It's not moving. Oh, fucking nailed it to the fucking idiot. Hey, back to normal. Just jot out where this is going to sit and whack 2 nails just to keep it steady in here. Hey, that ain't moving. This is going alright. Right, now, I'm going to twat a nail in here. Let's put a nail in the bit of wood that's going to lean up against it, eh? This is just to keep the string where it should be. And this is the last nail, so you know it's going to be the fucking hardest thing to do. Oh, in the fucking sink. Let's put this freaking thing together, eh? I can't believe actually managing. It's only taken about, how long has this taken? An hour? And I got myself an easel. Yep. Look at that, eh? Okay, maybe I want it like that. Let's say I want it like that. Oh, it's not even on the back. I'm going to throw up. All right, I'm starting to get annoyed now. This is getting harder and harder. How are you having that? Uh-oh. No bouncing that. No one's moving that. Where's the fucking canvas? Okay. Some of the kinks might need ironing out. All right, maybe a couple of nails just to lock everything in there. Just needs to stop it from wiggling this bit from left to right. Woo, look at that, eh? Who's the boss? Who's the freaking boss?